A beard does for a man what makeup does for a woman. The details matter. I've been using the best tool lately, the new Beard Hedger by Manscaped. It's all in one at the twist of a handle. It literally gives you 20 different size options for the guard. That way you don't have like all these random guards just sitting around that you gotta constantly switch out. It's waterproof, cordless, and it has a titanium coated stainless steel blade with a 60-minute runtime on a single charge. You know, I can't really grow beard. I got like a real patchy beard. I turn my beard trimmer to a 4 and I trim away my most thickest areas, and then I'll switch my trimmer to a size 6 on the guard and I'll trim the sides. Just bundle up and get yourself the Beard Hedger Pro Kit, which includes the Beard Hedger trimmer and a travel case. It's also got the beard oil, the beard balm, the beard shampoo, and the beard conditioner. It also works as a really good moisturizer. My wife loves this scent, and some free gifts as you can see here. This way you don't have to double dip and use your lawnmower for both your balls and your face.